All right, welcome to another episode of Codename New TV Road 2. I'm your presenter, Shabu Are You, and we are at day 3 of no power in the aftermath of Hurricane Milton. And if you've seen my earlier posts, it's fun. This shit is getting pretty old. We have everything, as you see, I hooked up the TV and we actually have Wi-Fi, but the problem is we don't have air conditioning. So, and then if you look inside the house, it looks like a series of wires. Everything coming from the generator. If these little blurbs isn't enough for anyone to invest in a generator, I don't know what will. If it wasn't for that, and the thing is, I do have a standalone room AC unit. I just don't know. With it being like 78, 80 degrees for Floridians, this is not bad for us. It might be bad for people up north that this is hot, but actually this is not too bad. So, and also do not overwork the generator. So I didn't hook that up, but if I did, I probably could hook up the wall mount and have at least one room with AC. um, so we're playing NES Mini today, and I cannot find the NES Mini controller, so I'm using the SNES controller. And even though, they're from the same family, it's so weird playing an NES game on an SNES controller, if that makes sense. It's like you're just used to buttons being in one place, and it's not. Let me try something else. So that's been oh, Batman. Now, this NES Batman game, it probably has one of the top 5 best soundtracks of all time. It's low now, but if you listen to the NES Batman, and I think they should make a CD or cassette of the just the music. I mean, that's such a good soundtrack. And the other thing is, all right, FPL, which is our utility company, they're amazing. They're great. They send a notification saying that they gave us to October 17th to have everything back. Now, that is another 5 days, count it, from today. So now you also, I understand the West Coast, the places hit by the tornadoes, they're, when you drive around town, you see the damage of what the tornadoes did. It is like devastating. It just shows you how, with all of our technology, all of our stuff, we are literally powerless compared to Mother Nature. And yet we treat Mother Nature so bad, with polluting and stuff like that. It's just, these storms are going to get worse because of the global thing. And it's no conspiracy theory, all those conspiracy theorists, yahoos. It's just simple freaking science, man. You can't be putting things that destroy the ozone or kill the oceans. It's just ridiculous. We have to find better ways to live and sustain our planet, because they're like, oh, coal. Well, the Industrial Revolution is why the Industrial Revolution probably killed our planet by like hundreds of years, if you think about it. Like all the pollutants that are being pumped into the air and dumped into the oceans. I bet that whole Industrial Revolution took about probably 1,000 years of the Earth's life. It's like smoking cigarettes. But yeah, I mean, cooking on the stove, the camping stove is fun. The one thing is laundry. So I don't know if I have to unplug. I probably have to unplug this TV. I think it should be able to handle, because if you think about it, a washing machine really uses, and that's the other thing, like I said in the other video, a lot of energy efficient products. Oh man, I jumped. I was trying to hit the boomerang. I kept on hitting jump. The one thing about video games is you have to play, like you have to play Batman few times and suck before you become good at it. And I just suck. But I still have fun. I'm not the best video gamer. I probably haven't beaten half the games I talk about. But to me, I just like I like the graphics. I like the it's like the overall experience for me. It's not a sense of just finishing a game to finish it. When I like video games because like this, the way it looks, the way it sounds, the way it feels. Like, yeah, I can beat this game, but that shouldn't take away from enjoying it. I hate that. So I don't know. What camp are you in? Do you rate a game if you could beat it or not, or is it like me, like the overall experience of it? I mean, I actually enjoy watching people play too. Like I like to watch my brother because he's a lot better than me. So he always says like, "Hey, you want a turn?" I'm like, "No, no, it's okay. I don't mind watching." Which what the hell? I hit him like 4 times with that boomerang. Maybe I'll go with the gun. Like that. See, how do I switch? All right, so again, this is the NES versus the SNES. Like I'm so used to the buttons being A B for this game that having four is throwing me off. It's still fun, man. I don't care. I wish I could go further, but life is what you make of it, man. Um, oh no. Damn it. Keep missing it. Yay! We beat the first level. Anyway, that's this episode. Thanks for everybody checking out my channel during the aftermath of Hurricane Milton. And listen to the Batman soundtrack, and you tell me that this isn't one of the top 5 best soundtracks of all time. Thanks, and Maya says goodbye too. Say bye, Maya.